Bye, Sarah. DVDFab 12.0.8.6, released on September 6, 2022, is a comprehensive software suite designed for copying, ripping, converting, and creating DVDs and Blu-rays. This version introduces support for new Java protections, ensuring users can back up and duplicate the latest disk releases without compatibility issues. And Site Turn Zero Search, the software offers multiple copy modes, including full disk, main movie, split, customize, and clone, providing flexibility in how users duplicate their media. These options cater to various needs, whether it's copying the entire disk content or just the main feature. Site Turn Search 5. In addition to copying, DVDFab 12.0.8.6 includes robust ripping capabilities, allowing users to convert DVDs and Blu-rays into various digital formats compatible with numerous devices. This feature is particularly useful for those who wish to enjoy their media collections on smartphones, tablets, or media players without the need for physical discs. The software also supports the creation of DVDs and Blu-rays from video files, enabling users to produce professional-looking discs with customizable menus. This is beneficial for creating personal video compilations or distributing content in a physical format. Overall, DVDFab 12.0.8.6 continues to provide a reliable and versatile solution for managing and processing DVD and Blu-ray media, maintaining its relevance by updating support for new protections and offering a wide range of features to meet users' diverse needs.